In my late 20s, I just wanted to explore. I wanted to travel. I wanted to party. I wanted to have fun. It's changed now. Like I'm more about business. I'm more about work, growth, self-development, and so on. But the women aspect and the desires it doesn't really seem to be going away.
This is just male nature that I have a problem with. And the part that I try to do my best to be calm and explain, especially young women on some of these shows, is that, listen, no, I don't think it's fair, but I don't think female nature is fair either. But male nature is naturally this way.